Hey guys, this is Bart Baggett with Handwriting University. I know it's been a while since I've made some videos and chatted with you, and there's a great reason why. Every time I sit down to do a video, my little cat here decides she wants to be part of the show. So she cries and whines and bites and nibbles so that she can now be part of the show. Now, do not sit on the table. We've talked about this young lady. This is Little Monster, and she was kind of an adoption. She showed up on the porch, and now she thinks she's part of the family, and I guess technically she is. So, cute little Bombay cat. Bombay. This is a Bombay cat, like a weird American breed named Bombay. And as you know, we do lots of business in India, Bombay, which is now called Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, all these great cities across India. We're still teaching handwriting analysis, and I want to make a quick video that we just signed and graduated another 12 or 13 people. And when I say just signed, actually I just signed them again because we'd signed them and graduated them in the last year and a half. Many of them got completely lost during the COVID, the snail mail. I cannot explain it, but now we have got all these wonderful people here in getting certified, finally getting them mailed. And I just want to tell you, if you thought about getting certified, there's just no better place than Handwriting University. We have 12 or 13 very, very active classes going on every week. We have a Signature Makeover Workshop, which is free to join. If you haven't joined that, you ought to check it out. That's at signatureMakeoverWorkshop.com. It's taught by our Indian professors, and if you want to get back involved, attend the workshop, go to handwritinganalysis.org and check out, one of those teachers. Get some tutoring. Finally get certified. For those of you that got certified, many, many years ago, there is an online course with a lot of updated videos in the last 5 years, and perhaps you haven't seen that. One of the challenges is we don't get our email through to some of our customers. I mean, face it, we've been in business since 1996. So we have many, many customers that got certified in 99, 2000. We completely lost contact with you. And the way to get back in contact with us is make sure you're on our email list and the emails aren't going to spam. And the easiest way to do that is just stop by handwritinguniversity.com, opt in to like the level 100 free course, check your email, check your spam, log into the little 100 course, and then obviously if you own the 101, the 201, the 301, that should all be unlocked. But that's really the easiest way. Click on subscribe to newsletter and or opt into one of the free books or free offers, and that'll get you on the email list. We have some very exciting things coming up this year for Handwriting University. In addition to the live classes that we've got, our newsletters, we're retooling a little bit. We're doing a lot of new live videos as well as some podcast clips. I'm going to be doing some analysis as well as some of our teachers and some of our students. So if you're interested in learning, if you're interested in teaching, maybe doing co-hosting a video with me, maybe you're interested in just helping out with the office. A lot of you may not know this, but last year we lost one of our favorite people named Doc Grayson. He passed away at the age of 80, and he was handling all of our testing and our test grading, and he really helped pull our community together. So no way we could replace Doc for sure, but we could replace somebody to handle the phones, maybe inquiries. If you want a part-time job or you're looking to just expand your involvement in the community of people that love handwriting analysis, NLP, personal development, cognitive psychology. I mean, we teach all that information, and sometimes we use the lens of handwriting analysis, sometimes we use the lens of NLP. There's a lot of cool stuff going on. Most of my time these days are spent doing forensic handwriting analysis with the courts and with attorneys, but I do find time to talk to you, my handwriting analysis friends and fans and readers. So check us out. Thanks for saying like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you're on the email list. We don't email tons of new content. If you're brand new, you'll get an email every couple of days, maybe even a couple of weeks. But we do want to stay in contact with you because we are going to have some live events. I can't discuss them now, but they will be in both America and India. But you won't get an invitation, and you definitely won't get a discount if you're not on the email list. All right, so thanks for watching. Hit the like button, share this with your friends, share it with your Facebook groups of people that are interested in handwriting analysis, especially those that have been part of the community over the last 20 years, those that have lost touch. Maybe they haven't thought about it. But the funny thing about handwriting analysis is once you learn handwriting and you're good at it, you never stop doing it. Everybody you meet, you are engaged. That is the cool thing about handwriting analysis and psychology. It's a lifelong skill. I started when I was 14 years old. I'm now 24. Okay, that's a lie. I have lying loops. I'm definitely older than 24. I've been doing over 30 years, and I'm still glad to say that I do it almost every day. Hey guys, hit the like button, leave the comment, send us an email at support@handwritinguniversity.com. We'll get back with you, and thanks for being a subscriber.